Alright, we're at Siesta Beach here. Turtle sculpture here. Wow, it's crowded. Look at that. I have this little mat so it's easy to roll your stuff up and down the beach. That's pretty nice. Look at the sand. It's pretty white and it's super thin. I don't know if you can see the dust trail. It just flies away in the wind. Super fine sand. It feels like walking on flour. The sand right now, it's like super hard and compact compared to regular sand because of how fine it is. And the water is actually a nice temperature. It's not like really cold. It's not warm, but it's a nice temperature. All right, I'm going in. That's some nice waves. Not too high, but fun for like boogie boarding. And of course the water's salty. It's the beach. I don't know if it's just me, but I smell a little like sulfury smell, so like eggs. Look at the snails I found. They're alive. They're moving. And look at this little one too. Yeah, it moves so fast. What in the world? It's like turning around. Look how fast that little guy is. He's going.
This weather's better than Hawaii.
That snail's so fast. Uh-oh, the cone snails are gonna attack it. Oh! Oh, what's happening? They're fighting. Ah! Run, little guy, run.
Too bad understood that fresh water.
Look at it. Moving very slowly. The little one's moving fast. How does it even move like that? It's moving all over the place. Or whatever you call those spiral things. Look at this big guy. His little tentacles coming out. Everyone's joining the party. One's flying away. Look at the pigeons. This one's really big. Oh no. Where are they going? Oh, pigeon footprints. That big bird. Ooh. Land somewhere. Look at all the birds. They're all fighting each other for whatever's in that one spot. They're like, oh, somebody took it already. We're out of here. Flying slowly. Next to Siesta Beach, they have a playground with swings, lots of slides. And also another smaller playground which is behind all these trees. There you go.